Out. I'm here down the building. I'm waiting for my alaga. Yeah. Nice the light. She has car lip. I just pick her up here down the building. Her class is 3 to 8. 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. nighttime. In SRT Electra, backside of City Season Hotel. Same building with the Music Cadenza Music Institute. The car lift is not yet pulling. Her mom has visitors. That's why I'm the only one coming down to pick her up. Tomorrow is Friday again. It's weekend again. Saturday I have school again. I hope I can get a high grade in my schooling, and I pray that when I finish my AGT, I can change my career. I want to work in the hospital. I want to work in the sterilization department. Sterilize all the tools and equipment in the hospital. I want that work to change my career, and I pray for that after I finish schooling and all the OGT. Well, my reason why I'm studying nursing assistant and caregiving is because I'm planning to apply work in UK. If God's will, maybe it will happen. But it depends where God lead me or where God put me. I know there is a reason about it, because I feel that God has planned. He's planning to send me to the other country or other place. I don't know where. It's not clear yet, but I ask God to show me. I know what God plan is for my own good, for the good of the people around me. But this time I need to focus my studies. I do my best to get higher grades and to pay all my tuition fee, all my balance in school. And I pray that I get my gratuity in Almaha agency, because I need that money to pay all my bills. All the things that I need to pay, especially school, insurance, etc. My retirement plan. And I don't know why Almaha until now they're not giving me the gratuity. It's more than 1 week since I can my visa cancelled, under process my new employment visa. It's not yet finished. I don't know when is my medical. Maybe this coming week. I hope my medical is only in Abu Dhabi, not in Dubai. Dubai is very far from here. It's not easy to travel in Dubai. Dubai is so crowded. It's far. How many hours travel? Especially when you ride only the bus. While I'm waiting for my alaga here. I want to do vlogging. Good evening, everyone. how is your day today? Thanks God, my cold flu is gone already, but I still have a little sipon, colds, a little colds, but my fever is not continue. Only last 2 nights ago, my temperature is became high. I have a slight fever the 2 days night. It's good yesterday, my fever is not continue. Sorry guys if I cannot upload always my EBN and my YouTube channel. I'm very busy for my school. We have assignment, project, and need to review for the exam. And last Saturday, we don't know that we have a training seminar in the hospital. It's they did not tell us before Saturday when we are there in the school. That's the time they said to us that we need to go to the hospital. We need to attend the training. It's not in the schedule. It's surprise training. But it's good. I learn additional knowledge and skills. That's the reason why I am studying, because I want to learn something new. Additional knowledge, skills, and opportunity. Maybe someday I can change my career working in the hospital. That's my target. I want to work in the hospital. Iter is here na. Bye!